How to manually sub-batch in ControlPro. Hopefully before you've seen this video, you've watched the introduction to sub-batching in ControlPro. If you have not, I highly recommend go and watch that one first. It will help you to familiarize yourself with some of the concepts we'll be covering in this video. What is covered in that video is very similar to what we're going to be doing in this one. In fact, when it comes to sub-batching, whether it's doing it automatically, manually, or with compartments, it's pretty much all the same idea, just the settings are slightly different for each one. For manually sub-batching, we're going to go ahead and bring in a ticket first. So we'll go ahead and grab an Avengers ticket here. You'll see that the total requested is 100,000, but the total batch pounds is only 50,000. That is due to the fact that our mixer capacity is only 50,000. If you're not going to do sub-batching, you would still have to run this ticket 2 times to complete the full batch amount that you're requesting. But say, for instance, for each batch, you've got a vehicle with multiple compartments and you need to split this 50,000 pound up into 2 separate batches, or maybe even 3. We'd come into batch details, come into sub batching, manual, and here's where you would set that amount. And in this case, we're just going to split it into a nice even 25,000. Reminder, we are in simulation mode, so no automation, no pumps or valves will open or kick on. We'll just go ahead and hit process, and this is going to process it pretty quickly, again, because we are in simulation mode. So we will let this run here real quick, and then there you can see it's the 25,000. And now we can run the second sub batch of 25,000, hit process, and here we go. And after this is done, this 50,000 pound batch is complete. So as soon as that's done, the automation is waiting for us to hit complete. That's what we're going to do, and that has finished that batch of the ticket. The ticket itself is not complete, but because the batch is complete, it's cleared from the system. So when you have to run that ticket again, we will come back, find that ticket, which is this first one right here. We can drag and drop it right into the system, and we can run that second batch of 50,000 pounds. And if we wanted to, we could sub batch that again. Go ahead and do another 25,000 pounds, hit process, and let this one run again. And another reminder, because we are doing this simulation mode, the load starts right away by me just hitting process, because this is not going to be sending it to your automation, so there's no need to hit a start button. We just hit process in simulation mode and it runs the load straight away. So as you can see, that completed that second batch, which also completes the full delivery of 100,000 pounds of this product for the customer. We go ahead and hit complete under the batch details, and now that delivery is complete. That completes sub batching manually. That does not include using equipment to sub batch. We have another video to do that. This is if you're just going to be manually sub batching a ticket by yourself, not dependent on what kind of equipment you're using. If you have any questions on manually sub batching, please feel free to contact us at Murray Equipment at 260-480-1340. Thank you.